Hey everyone, let's celebrate this Teacher's Day by giving your teacher of your life a wonderful gift of plants with the most decorative planter ever decorated by you. So, without any wasting time, let's begin with the video. So, here I've taken a paint box, small paint box, and I'm going to do white paint. It is a white acrylic paint I'm doing. So this was the box lying in my home of no use. So if you have any other box, you can use that as well. Not necessary that you have to take that paint box only. Now the first coat done and it still looks transparent, so I'm going to do one more coat. And see, this is how it looks after doing one more coat over it. And it doesn't look that transparent. Now I'll take that oval cut shape paper and paste on it. Don't put so much of glue because ultimately it has to be removed later. So if you put so much of glue, then it will not come off easily. So now I've taken this big bowl of water where I'm putting this red color nail polish, and now I'm putting some drops of green as well. Now the marbling part, that is, I'll take this box and start rolling over the water and see. All of the nail polish has got stick to this box, and look at the kind of effect it is giving. It looks so beautiful, isn't it? So right now it's wet, don't touch it with your hands. Keep it to dry for at least 1 hour. So after 1 hour, this is dried completely, and we will remove this paper that we stick to this box earlier. Remove the paper nicely and these leftovers as well. If still some are left, you can put a drop of water with your fingers and just rub it off. It will come out easily. Now I have painted at the back side as well. Yeah, this side is not looking good. The nail polish paint got on this as well, and it's not looking nice, so I will paint white over it. And yeah, this is done. Now the next part is the message writing part. So I will write a message for my teacher over here. You can write any message you want to write. So I am writing here a message: world's best teacher. Yes, my teacher is the world's best teacher. So I'm writing this message. You can write any message you want. Now with the marker, I will make it more darker and more visible. So here I am using a normal OHP pen. You can use any special pens as well used for calligraphy, but for me this normal pen also works and I'm comfortable doing it. If you have any pens for calligraphy, you can use them as well. And yes, I have written the message. Now let's make it more decorative, and my favorite 3D outliner I'm using again, and making small dots on the sides. You can make any kind of design you want to with the help of this. It's very versatile, and I'll do the same thing below as well. On both the borders I have done that, and yeah, I have put a plant, and see, our pot is ready. Now I wanted to add a ribbon as well. So I took a paper rope, make a bow out of it, and now I'll paste a bow here. And it looks more good, isn't it? So our super wonderful gift for our loving teacher is ready. So thank you all so much for watching this creativity of mine, and if you like it, do share it with your friends. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.